You know, another challenge with all the snow cleanup is making sure that your pets have some room to get outside.
Yeah, when they gotta go, they gotta go. A local rescue center got creative before the blizzard hit. Here's NBC 10's Kate Hanowich.
At Handsome Dan's Rescue in Cranston, you'll find Finch the pup.
He wants to make sure that you're aware that his belly is available. So cute.
Finch was rescued from a dogfighting yard in South Carolina back in November.
We're working on some behaviors and helping to make him adoptable. And so we've got to potty train this guy.
In preparation for the blizzard of 2026, Heather Gutshaw, the co-founder of Handsome Dan's Rescue, wanted to make sure Finch could continue his training.
I am not going to let a little snow stop my job to get this dog ready for his forever home.
That's when Heather got a possum idea.
I just went through the basement and we were just grabbing anything. There's a boat oar out there for an inflatable boat. Like, we just grabbed anything that we could find.
After 3 hours, the potty fort was born. I'm here sitting in front of, don't worry, not in the potty fort, but let me tell you, there is a hodgepodge of items in here. Behind me, we've got a ladder, we've got bungee cords, dog leashes, and then next to me, the top of a kiddie pool. And then, of course, we've got the tarp holding about 2 feet of snow. So it is a very awesome, creative fort we've got going on here. Luckily, the fort was up to Finch's standards.
We had no idea if he was going to be too afraid to go out there, but he wasn't. He was psyched.
Proving a huge success.
There have been no accidents. He goes out there, he's like, I know what to do.
Gutshaw says she plans on keeping the fort up as long as it will stand. And anyone interested in adopting Finch can apply on handsomedansrescue.org. In Cranston, I'm Kate Hanowich, NBC 10 News.